please do. It's my internet. Carrie.
Good morning, Year 7 students and families. I hope you are keeping well. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the end of year awards ceremony. Just before we start, I'd like to do a quick poll. If you could just answer this question, please. I'll just leave this up for a few moments if you can answer the question. Thank you. It looks like we have mainly 7F and 7I with us today, with 37% of you here from 7F and 7I. Well done. Right, carrying on. It's been a very eventful year, full of highs and lows. Some of you have made really good progress, and we are all very proud of you. We hope that you enjoy the assembly and you all continue to perform to the best of your ability in the year to come. If you have any questions or comments, please type them in the questions section and I will address them towards the end of the assembly. Right, joining us for this assembly today is Mrs. Horman, form tutors, and from the pastoral team we have Mrs. Saunders.
Hi there, Year 7. I just want to say it's been so nice speaking to you over the last couple of months. I want you to have a really relaxing summer and I can't wait to see you in September. Have a great time.
Thank you, Mrs. Saunders. Now, please take a seat and enjoy this show. With all the awards, you will be sent an e-certificate. If you would like a hard copy of your certificate, please ask the school upon your return. Right, first set of awards are for subjects. Here, your teachers have awarded the students who have achieved fantastically in their subject. For English, the award goes to Sephora and Rosa. Well done. For maths, the award goes to David and Aaliyah. Excellent. Well done. For science, this year's award goes to Elifnaz and Mevre. Congratulations. Well done. In geography, our award is for Nikki and Zoe. Very well done to you. This year's award for history goes to Safia and Dylan. Congratulations. For music, our award goes to Nikki and Isaac. Well done. In PE, our award goes to Malaika and Wazani. For drama, the award goes to Joseph and Sephora. Well done. In ICT, our award goes to Isaac and David. Congratulations to the two of you. In religious studies, our award goes to Lena and Montel. Congratulations to the two of you. In PSHE, our award goes to Hildana and Samsur. Well done. In D&T, the award goes to Melanie and Anteos. Excellent and well done to both of you. In art, the award goes to Octavia and David. Well done to the two of you. The next award is for Spanish. This award goes to David and Aaliyah. Excellent and well done. Our next award is for Latin. This award goes to Celia and Zeyruz. Well done, two of you. The next award is for EAL. So that's Anteos and Clyde. Well done. Now, moving on, this is the Form Tutor Awards. I'll be handing over to Mr. Ayub to start the Form Tutor Awards for 7B.
Hi 7B. Firstly, I would like to say I hope you and your families are all well during this tricky period. You should all be so proud of yourselves for the way that you have adapted to this new life and not let this period stop you from learning. For this reason and many more, I wish I could give this award to so many of you. Unfortunately, I can only name two. This year's winners are Rosa and Jason. Congratulations. I will now pass on to Mr. Gallagher for the awards for 7R.
Hello 7R. Hope you're doing really well. It's very difficult to choose my awards this year, but my awards have gone to Sephora and Isaac. Hope you have a fantastic summer, Mr. Gallagher. I'm now going to pass you on to Miss Cunningham.
Hi 7O, I just want to say well done for all your hard work this year. My form nominations are Perla and Adam. Well done, guys. Sorry, I'm going to pass on to Mr. Thompson now.
Thank you, Miss Cunningham. Listen up, 7M. I am so impressed by how well you've done throughout year 7, even in these trying times. And I really, really hope you carry on this enthusiasm well into year 8. I am so proud of everything that you've done. For my award, I want to give it to the people who've worked the hardest in school, I think, and also people who have worked fantastically over Google Classrooms, and that is Asilia and Al Quain. Well done to the two of you. I'd like to pass on to Miss McCool now.
Hi 7F, congratulations in completing your first year at Brimfield. You've all been a wonderful group and I'm so proud of you all. I've picked the following students for this award based on their hard work and dedication. So well done, Hildana and David. I'm going to pass you on now to Miss Cardali.
Hello 7i, I hope you're all well and keeping safe. The first nomination goes to Hara and the second nomination goes to Kyra. Well done for all your hard work. Make sure you have a fantastic summer holiday. And I'll now pass it on to Miss Arab from 7E.
It looks like Miss Arab's got a little bit of problem logging on, so I'll just award for on her behalf. I know she was with us a little while ago, but maybe she's had some logging on difficulties. So on behalf of Miss Arab, she would like to award this award for Zoe and Clyde. Well done to both of you. Now we move on to achievement points. Achievement points are awarded for a number of reasons, from doing excellent work, helping around the school, meeting or exceeding target grades, and participation in school projects. This year, I was very proud to see just how many points as a year group you have received. It gives me great pleasure to announce that 3 students have received the most amount of points this year. These students will receive an e-voucher along with their certificate. This term's top achievers are Mate, Jehovan, and Leopold. I am very proud of all 3 of you. This is an excellent achievement. Well done, 3 of you. And remember, you will receive an e-voucher as well. The next award is for Achievement Director Award. This award is given to students I feel have worked hard all year round and really shown a passion for what they do. I wish I could have awarded to more than 2 students, as many of you fit this category. However, the 2 students I have chosen are Ezekiel and Martina. Well done, both of you. Each of you will receive an e-voucher along with your certificates. Congratulations. I'm very, very proud of you. The next award is for Jack Petchey. The Jack Petchey Foundation was set up to inspire and motivate young people across England and Essex. It was set up by Sir Jack Petchey to encourage young people to work hard and reach their full potential. The winner of the award will get a certificate along with £250 to spend on the school. This term's Jack Petchey Award was for Zeyruz for his charity work. He raised over £2,000 and became an ambassador for the organisation. This is a great achievement. Well done, Zeyruz, and I'm really, really proud of you. You really have achieved so well to have so much on as well as completing your work. Well done and very well done to you. I'm going to now pass it on to Mrs. Horman to announce the next set of awards. Okay, it seems that we've got a bit of a glitch here and Mrs. Horman's unable to talk. So I will award these on
Good morning, Year 7. I hope you can hear me. And it's my pleasure this morning.
Right, so the House Award for the House Award system is a system we have in school where all students are assigned to a house, and every time they achieve an achievement point, it goes towards a house point. This term's House Award for Dalton goes to Anteos. Very well done to you, Anteos. The House Award for Newton goes to Joseph. Well done, Joseph. The House Award for Anning has gone to Zeyruz. Well done. And the House Award for Franklin goes to David. Very well done to the four of you. In total, we add up all the house points and we decide on which houses come first, depending on how many numbers they've achieved. This year, in 4th place, goes to Newton. In 3rd place, we have Franklin. In 2nd place, we have Anning. And in 1st place, very well done to all of you, we have Dalton. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you. The next set of awards are for attendance. The Bronze Awards, you can see all the names listed. This is a great, great achievement to have achieved and been able to attend or over 95% of the time. This is excellent. Very well done to all of you. And it's from the period of January to March. So all of these students have received Bronze Awards. As well as these students and these students. Very well done. If you've seen your name there, you will get a certificate through the internet. And if you want a hard copy once again, please just ask in the office when you return. The Silver Awards go to the following students. This is absolutely fantastic. There are pages upon pages. So if you see your name there, very well done to you. And there are even more. I'm just going to pass it on to the next slide where we have even more students that have achieved this Silver Award. So very well done to you. And there's another slide. This is fantastic. Very well done for attending all of this time. It's fantastic. And this year's Gold Attendance Awards go to the following students. This is an excellent, excellent achievement. It means all of the terms you have attended 100%. It's absolutely fantastic to see so many names on there. So very well done to all of you. Thank you for everything you've done. I'm just going to look at the questions and see if we've got any questions here. And if you have any, please just type them in right now and we can go through them. So many of you have received so many awards and some more than one. You truly have had a fantastic year. And I'm really, really proud of you. I can see that. Hold on, we're just looking at some questions here. Just go through them. Oh, school will start back in September. There's a question, when will school start back? We'll start back from week commencing 7th of September. We'll give you more information about this closer towards September, but it will be starting in September the 7th, if everything goes as planned. Let me see if there's any more questions. Sorry, that's that one. There's a question, is it uniform in September? Yes, it will be. It'll be back to the normal requirements, no phones, and uniform as normal, no Air Forces or anything, unfortunately. It will be exactly as it was pre-lockdown. Just going to see if there's any more questions before we move on.
It could be common.
I've got a few questions about access, but if you're on, you're on. Otherwise, if you are unable to see all of this presentation, then please just look at the recorded seminar, which will be going out shortly. Are we going to wear masks? This is something that we're looking at, and it will not be a requirement for you to wear masks in and around school. You can wear one coming to school, but it is a requirement that you put it away and you will not be wearing it in school. Our sports clubs carrying on. We are still in the process of discussing this, so I cannot give you any information about this until we come back in September. Are there going to be smaller classes? The answer is no, but we will be having year group separately. So we will be having them in bubbles and they will be working separately. More information will come out towards the end of summer. Are we going to get yellow ties when we are in year 8? No, whatever tie colour you have in year 7, you carry on throughout the years. So you carry on with your red ties in year 8, and then in year 9, 10 and 11. You just carry on with that same colour. Let's see if there's any more questions coming up. It seems that's all the questions. If there are any other questions, I'll stay on at the end and you could ask me then. Okay, so just finally, it has been a pleasure doing this assembly today. I'd like to thank all the form tutors who have worked fantastically with their forms, even during this unprecedented time. I know I can speak on behalf of all of us to thank you for the amazing work you have done this year. We hope you have an enjoyable holiday and look forward to seeing you in September as a new year at 8. Now, goodbye from all of us.
Australian